Everyone thinks the best-selling solar streetlights are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Let's kick things off with the Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights. Priced at $27.44, what caught my attention here is the remote control feature, which is pretty handy. If you want super bright illumination and the flexibility to adjust settings on the fly, this is worth a serious look. These lights boast an impressive 2,500 lumens output from 210 LED beads, which means you can easily light up your driveway or backyard. The 3 adjustable heads provide a 270-degree wide angle, ensuring maximum coverage. Plus, the PIR motion sensor detects movement up to 26 feet away, making it a solid option for security. And here's why this matters for you specifically. The brightness ensures that every corner of your yard is well lit, adding peace of mind during those late-night strolls. Now, here's the catch. Some users mention that the battery life can be inconsistent on particularly cloudy days. I'll be real with you, if you live in a place with lots of overcast weather, that could be a deal breaker. But if you can position the solar panel to catch enough sun, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want adjustable lighting modes and a straightforward setup. Skip this one if you're in a location with very little sunlight since it relies heavily on solar power. For the price, you're getting a solid value. Now, if the battery inconsistency got you worried, the next one on my list might actually offer better reliability when it comes to charging.
Product number 2, Defino Solar Lights. The Defino Solar Lights priced at $24.38. What I found interesting is its innovative one-button control for lighting modes. If you want ultra-bright illumination without the fuss of remote controls, this is a fantastic choice. With 156 high-efficiency LEDs, these lights deliver a stunning 2,500 lumens while consuming less power. The 270-degree wide-angle coverage lets you illuminate larger areas, and the motion detection range of up to 40 feet is impressive. This is crucial for security, as you can catch movement before it gets too close. Plus, it's designed to run from dusk to dawn without any manual intervention, which is so convenient. However, there were a few complaints about the motion sensor being a bit overly sensitive for some users, which can lead to frequent activations. But honestly, if you're looking for security lighting, that could be more of a feature than a flaw, right? This is perfect for you if you need reliable, bright lights for your driveway or backyard. Skip this if you want a more advanced remote control system. Overall, it's a smart pick for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those larger spaces.
Product number 3, Deepen Solar Lights, which come in at $69.99. What stood out to me is the incredible brightness thanks to its 330 high-efficiency LED beads. If you need something that genuinely lights up a large area, this is definitely worth considering. These lights can illuminate up to 1,800 square feet, making them perfect for streets or big yards. The 3 modes, including a timer option, allow you to customize your lighting based on your needs. Plus, the IP66 waterproof rating means it can withstand all sorts of weather, so that's a bonus if you live in a rainy area. But I noticed some reviews mentioning that it can take longer to charge compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with waiting a bit longer for that intense brightness, then it's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you need extensive coverage and don't mind a longer charging time. Skip this if you're looking for something more compact or budget-friendly. For what it offers, it's a solid investment. If the size and charging time are concerns, the next product might fit the bill better.
Product number 4, Loyal Solar Streetlight. The Loyal Solar Streetlight priced at $80.99. One thing that caught my attention is its powerful 300,000 lumens output. If you want maximum brightness for large areas, this is a game changer. This light features a 240-degree coverage area, which is perfect for parking lots or wide driveways. The intelligent motion sensing operation adjusts brightness based on activity, ensuring energy is saved when no one is around. It can last up to 26 hours on a full charge, which is impressive. You won't have to worry about it going out in the middle of the night. However, some users noted that it can be a bit tricky to install if you're not handy. Here's my take. If you're willing to put in a little effort, the benefits far outweigh the initial installation challenges. This is perfect for you if you have a larger space that requires substantial lighting. Skip this if you're looking for a simpler, smaller light solution. It's a bit pricier, but you get what you pay for in terms of brightness and functionality.
Now, if that installation concern gave you pause, the last product on my list may offer a more straightforward solution.
Product number 5, Loyal Solar Parking Lot Lights. We have the Loyal Solar Parking Lot Lights retailing at $80.81. The convex lenses design is really intriguing, allowing for longer distance lighting. If you want something designed for extensive outdoor areas, this is a solid option. With 750,000 lumens, this light is engineered for high-performance lighting. Its remote intelligent control feature lets you set the brightness and timer, which is super convenient. The high-conversion solar panel ensures it charges fairly quickly, and you get zero electricity bills, which is always a plus. That said, a few reviews pointed out that the light can sometimes be too bright for residential areas, which could be an issue if you have neighbors nearby. But honestly, if you need powerful lighting for safety and visibility, it's hard to argue against that. This is perfect for you if you need commercial-grade lighting for a large area. Skip this if you're concerned about disturbing your neighbors with brightness. It's a solid investment for those needing extra illumination. So there you have it, 5 fantastic solar streetlights, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. Depending on your needs, one of these options will surely light up your nights.
To recap, we've covered the Tough Enough for versatility, Defino for simplicity, Deepen for extensive coverage, Loyale's first option for brightness, and finally, Loyale's parking lot light for commercial-grade performance. Each of these lights has its own strengths, so pick one that fits your specific needs. Happy shopping!